Hey, what is going on, guys? So I have a Samsung Galaxy S9 here, and if you guys are experiencing the black screen of death, basically where the phone doesn't power up or turn off, you know it's on because you may see some LED lights flashing, you may feel a vibration when your notifications come in or text messages, or you may hear the phone ring when you have phone calls coming in. However, you still have a black screen. Very, very easy to fix this, and I'm going to give you two ways you can do this, okay? So two ways in regards to a forced restart. So what you have to do is a forced restart. And it's a two key combination here, same way you do on the prior Samsung Galaxy S8 and S8 Plus. And the two key combination is going to be the volume down rocker and power button. Okay, so imagine that this phone is black. Pretend that this one is still broken. So volume down, home button. I'm going to press and hold both of these buttons at the same time. Press and hold, and I'm going to wait until I see the Samsung logo. Okay, so ready? 1, 2, 3. I'm going to press and hold, and it's going to automatically reboot. Again, pretend my phone is still broken. You see nothing on the screen. And now right now my phone just turned off. Now I could let go right now because my phone is fixed. I know it's already off, but if you guys have now, there you go, I can let go now. But if you guys had a black screen of death, you're not going to know until your phone is actually shut off and is powering back on. So there you go. Once this boots back up, it should be up and running. Now the thing is, if it's still not working, give it a couple more tries. Now in my situation, I did it like 3 times and my phone still wouldn't come back up. So what I had to do was, and I'm not sure why this worked, but what I did was I basically plugged in my cable charger. I plugged it into my laptop, and then I did the same thing over again. I just basically grab the phone and do the 2 key combination. Remember, volume down rocker, power button. Just press and hold until you see the Samsung logo appear, then let go, and then you guys should be up and running. Pretty simple. Hope this guy gets your Samsung Galaxy S9 or S9 Plus up and running, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye.